No.
Turkey hunter, I mean. What game are we going for today? We don't know. So do one of your famous turkey calls so we can hear it, okay? I don't hear anything back. Look up there, Fred doesn't even look interested. He looks rather bored. Are you bored? Are you having fun? No idea? No idea. Do you have to pee-pee? Have to do the pee-pee dance. I have to do the pee-pee dance. As you can see, we are unsuccessful. No turkeys in sight. Don't be fooled. That isn't a real turkey. But here, if you look,